Now, with the price of electricity on the rise, many people are looking for ways to cut costs and save money. A really good way to do this is to convert your household's lighting to LED. LED lighting comes in a wide range, allowing you to change almost any light fitting to LED. There are Edison and small Edison screw bulb fittings, bayonet and small bayonet fittings, and these come in both your normal and candle bulb. There are downlighters, tubes, swimming pool lights, floodlights, and spotlights, to name a few. A nice thing is you can still choose your color temperature or Kelvin of your light bulbs. A nice warm light of around 3000 Kelvin for bedrooms and lounges, and a cooler white light of around 6500 Kelvin for your kitchen or bathroom. But why do LEDs save money? Well, first, it uses a lot less watts to get the same lumens or color brightness from an LED bulb. Which means this LED bulb uses only 16 watts to produce 1300 lumens, where an incandescent bulb would use 100 watts. So here's an example. This kitchen uses 8 downlighters. Using the old 60 watt downlighters, it was burning 480 watts per hour. Converted to a 3 watt LED downlighter, it's now only burning 24 watts per hour, which is a massive 95% savings on electricity. Now, in an outdoor setting, this 50 watt LED floodlight produces the same amount of lumens as a 500 watt halogen floodlight, which means only 10% of the energy is used to produce the same amount of light. LED light bulbs also have a much longer burn time, around 14,000 hours longer than an incandescent bulb, and when converted to savings, that's an annual saving of around 90%. Now, LED technology has also come a long way and is available in a lot of decorative options, which means you don't have to feel bad when you're using mood lighting. LED is also dimmable and produces a very low heat, making them that much safer. So if saving electricity is important to you, change to LED. There's a variety of LED fittings and fixtures available at Builders, in store or online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.